Good morning students. Today we are going to see a new grammar topic, that is a conjunction. Okay. So far you have learned about a conjunction. Can you tell me the words of conjunction? What are the words of conjunction you have learned before? Okay, let me tell you. Some of the words of conjunctions are and, but, so, before, because, when, as, while, since, are, though, yet. Okay, like that we are having a list of a conjunction. Okay, so today in our class we are going to see a three conjunction only, that is and, but, are. Okay, this three conjunction only we are going to see in detail. Okay, so usually the conjunction, okay, if you are taking the parts of speech, the conjunction is divided into three types. There are three types of conjunction. They are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. Later you will study this in detail. Okay, so and, but, are the coordinating conjunction. Okay, so and, but are the coordinating conjunction. Okay, so this is an important one, you have to know. Okay, now what is a conjunction? So conjunctions are joining words, they will join the words. Okay, conjunctions are joining words. Okay, they join words or sentences. Okay, the conjunction, they will join the two words or the two sentences. Okay, it is known as the conjunction. Okay, so see the first conjunction, that is and. Okay, first we shall see about the conjunction and. Okay, when do we use this conjunction? We use and to combine. Okay, we use and. Okay, we use and to combine two sentences into one. Okay, if there are two sentences means, so you have to make it in one sentence. For that you have to put the conjunction and. Okay, we use and to combine two sentences into one. See, for example, Sachin is a swimmer and a football player. Okay, so Sachin he is a swimmer. Okay, in what activity? Sachin is a famous swimmer and football. Okay, this both activity. Okay, so want to make this two sentences into one means we have to put the conjunction and. Okay, Sachin is a swimmer and a football player. Okay, so if we remove the conjunction and, then how it will come? Sachin is a swimmer. Okay, if we remove and, see, consider here and is not there. Now see here, Sachin is a swimmer and Sachin is a football player. Okay, so these two sentences. Okay, now we have to combine these two sentences into one sentence. For that you have to put the conjunction and, like Sachin is a swimmer and a football player. Okay, students, have you clear with this? So this is what they are given in your book also. Okay, now see that, take page number 55. So in that, match the sentences in column A with the sentences in column B. Okay, then join them with and write them in the space given below. Okay, one is done for. So here there is a column A, column B. Okay, in column A there is a sentence, in column B also there is a sentence. First you have to match the sentences. Okay, after you have matched the sentences, next in the fill in the blanks they are given. In that place you have to write down by using the word and. Okay, students, have you clear with this? Now let's do the exercise. Now what are the words they are given? Honey is sweet, Suman is kind, she likes to sing, Mike is healthy. In B, what are the sentence? She likes to dance, Mike is strong, Suman is helpful, honey is tasty. Okay, now we have to just match the sentences. Honey is sweet, honey is tasty. Okay, the next, Suman is kind, Suman is helpful. Okay, here both the noun it's are same, Suman, and here also it's Suman. So Suman is kind, Suman is helpful. You just match it, you just draw the line. The next one, she likes to sing, she likes to dance. Okay, just cross the word. The next, Mike is healthy, Mike is strong. Okay, now we have finished the match. Now in the fill in the blanks you have to combine these two sentences into one. Okay, so here there are two sentences. Now see here, honey is sweet is one sentence and honey is tasty is another one sentence. Okay, we have to combine these two sentences into one. Okay, how we can write? Honey is sweet and tasty. Okay, sweet and tasty, they are telling about the honey only. Okay, so at first we are writing honey. Okay, next we are writing the verb, next only we are writing sweet and tasty. Okay, like this you have to do for others also. See the next one. Suman is kind. Suman is helpful. Okay, how we can join these two sentences? That is, Suman is kind and helpful. Okay. So write in the blank, student. So this is in the exercise 1. Exercise 1B. Suman is kind. And what is the next sentence? Suman is helpful. Okay, here already yes, Suman is there. No, Suman is there and is there. Only the thing is helpful is different. So we can combine by using the conjunction and. Okay, and helpful. Suman is kind and helpful. The next one, she likes to sing. She likes to dance. How we can write? She likes. Okay, she likes to. First they are given sing. Yes, the next she likes to dance. And what is the next sentence? She likes to dance. Already she likes to is there. Only a dance is a different. So we can combine by using the conjunction and. She likes to sing and dance. Okay. See the D1. Mike is healthy. Mike is strong. So we can write Mike is healthy. Mike is healthy and strong. Okay, we can write like this. Okay, if there are two sentences or there means we can combine the sentences into one by using the conjunction and. Okay, so Suman is kind and helpful. Here the conjunction is and. Then next one, she likes to sing and dance. So here and is the conjunction. Mike is healthy and strong. And is the conjunction. Okay. Have you clear with this? Next we shall move on to the but. Okay. The word but is used to join a two opposite idea in a sentences. Okay. In a sentence, if there is a two opposite idea. Okay. Opposite idea means we can use the word but. Okay. The word but is used to join a two sentences that talk about things or ideas that are different from each other. Okay, so the things that are different from each other, no, so only I have written the opposite idea. Okay, things and idea that are different from each other. For that I have written opposite idea. Okay, opposite idea. Okay, students, have you clear with this? If there is a two opposite idea in a sentence, for that we can use the word but. Okay, see for example, it is hot during a day but cool at night. Okay, what opposite idea they are telling? That is, in daytime it is hot, in night time it is cold. So in this sentence they are telling the two opposite idea, no. So for that we can use the word but. Okay, see the next one. A giraffe is short but a cat is short. Sorry, giraffe is tall. Okay, so a giraffe is tall but a cat is short. Okay, so in the sentence also here there is a two opposite idea. What are they? Giraffe tall, cat short. Giraffe tall, cat short. Okay, so we are combining these two sentences by using the word but. Okay, a giraffe is tall but a cat is short. Okay, students, have you clear with this? So say take page number 55. In that the example in your book is, I play badminton, I cannot play cricket. Okay, so how we are combining this? I can play badminton but I cannot play cricket. Okay, why we are using but? Here they are telling a two opposite idea in a sentence. What are they? Can play badminton, cannot play cricket. Okay, I can play. Na ennala badminton விளையாட முடியும், ஆனா எனக்கு cricket விளையாட தெரியாது. Okay, so two opposite idea in a sentences. For that we have to use the word but. Okay, see the next one. Ravi is tall, his brother is short. So with the conjunction but they are writing Ravi is tall but his brother is short. Ravi tall, his brother short. Here they are telling the two opposite idea, tall, short. Okay, Ravi tall, his brother short. telling the two opposite ideas. So we are using the conjunction but. Okay, have you are clear with this? So we shall do the exercise. Okay, take page number 56. In that we shall do the second exercise. Okay, so read the following sentences, join them using but. One is done for you. Okay, here there is a sentence, here there is a two sentences out there. You have to join them by using the word but. Okay, but they used to talk about a opposite idea. Okay, but is used to join two opposite idea in a sentences. Okay, see the first example, I bought a pen, I lost it. Two sentences are there. Okay, I bought a pen. Second sentence is I lost it. Okay, so see the answer, I bought a pen, comma, but I lost it. Okay, so in the word after pencil they have given the dot. Dot means the sentence is complete, but while you are writing but you have to continue the sentence, no, so only we are putting a comma. Okay, I bought a pencil but I lost it. Okay, I bought a pencil but I lost it. See the next one, I like apples, I don't like grapes. Here they are telling I like apples, I don't like grapes. Two opposite idea in a sentence. So we can use the conjunction but. So we can write I like apples. Okay, you have to write as it is. I like apples. Then you have to, here dot is there, no? So we are just continuing a sentence. So we have to put a comma. Okay, comma put, comma, after comma you have to write but. But I don't like, but I don't like grapes. Then after that the sentence is complete, no, so I have to put the full stop. Okay, I like apples but I don't like grapes. Okay, we are using the conjunction but. Okay, you have to do this. Okay, so you have to put a comma. Okay, after this write the sentence, instead of full stop you have to put a comma. After that you have to write the conjunction word, that is but. Then you have to write the next sentence. Okay, but I don't like grapes. Okay, this is how you have to write. So this is the answer. The next one, the next question is, Mickey writes with the pencil, Anu writes with the pen. Okay, here they are telling the two opposite idea in a sentence, that is pencil and pen. Is it? So we can combine these two sentences. Mickey writes with a pencil but Anu writes with the, Mickey writes with the pencil but Anu writes with the pen. Like that you have to write. Okay, so the answer is Mickey, you have to write as it is. Okay, Mickey writes with the pencil. Mickey writes with the pencil. Then next you have to put a, instead of full stop you have to put a comma, comma. Then after comma you have to put but. And you have to start writing the next sentence, but Anu writes with the pen, full stop. Okay, this is how you have to write. Okay, Mickey writes with the pen, Mickey writes with the pencil but Anu writes with the pen. Okay, have you are clear with this? And this D you have to do this as the homework. Okay, you have to write by using the word but. Jack is smart, Mary is smarter. Have to join these two sentences by using the word but. Okay, you can refer this, the above one you can refer this as the example. Okay, students, have you are clear with this? So and, okay, so we use and to combine two sentences. Okay, and we use but is used to join a two opposite idea in a sentences. Okay, in a sentence if there is a two opposite idea means at that place we can use the conjunction but. Okay, now we shall see the next conjunction are. The next conjunction is are. Okay, the word are join two sentences that talk about a different choices. Okay, so they join the two sentences. The are, they talk about the choices. Okay, you want this or that, like that. Okay, see example. So she can walk to school or take the bus. Okay, so there is a choices, that is walk to school, take the bus. Two choices. You can take anything. She can walk to school or take the bus. See the next one. I want to be a teacher or an engineer. Okay. So teacher, engineer. Okay. I want to be anything. I want to be a teacher or engineer. It's a two choice. I can be anyone. Teacher or an engineer. Okay. See the example. Take page number 56. So see that, do you want milk, do you want fruit juice? Okay, here the choices are there, that is milk, fruit juice. Okay, you want this or that. What's the answer they are writing? Do you want milk or fruit juice? Okay, milk or fruit juice. See the next example, that is this one. I want to be a teacher, it's one sentence. Next sentence, I want to be an engineer. Okay, that's a two sentence. We are combining these two sentences into one by using the word are. Okay, are, they talk about the choices. It's a choices, no? Teacher or an engineer. Okay, students, have you clear with this? Okay, now take page number 57. So in that we shall do the third exercise. Read the following sentences and join them using are. Okay, so here there are two sentences are there. We have to join the two sentences by using the word are. Okay, they talk about the different choices. See the first one. I can go to fair on Monday. I can go to fair on Tuesday. Okay, here they are telling I can go to fair. Okay, on what day? Monday or Tuesday. Okay, any other day. Okay, we can put Monday or Tuesday. Third exercise, A1, I can go to the fair. I can go to the fair on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, or Tuesday. Full stop. Okay, Monday or Tuesday, it's a choice. See the next one. Do you want blue pen? Do you want red pen? The answer is, do you want blue pen or red pen? Do you want a blue pen or a red pen? Or a red pen. So this sentence is in the question format. So I have to put a question mark at the end. Okay. Do you want a blue pen or a red pen? See the next one. Is this a textbook? Is this a notebook? Okay. How we can write? Is this a textbook or a notebook? Is this a textbook or a notebook? So this sentence is in the question format, so I have to put a question mark. Okay, is this a textbook or a notebook? Textbook or notebook? Okay, and that you have to do as the homework. Okay, you have to join the two sentences by using the word are. See the fourth exercise. Use but, or, and to complete the following sentences. Okay, so here you have to write the conjunction. Okay, so based on the sentences, okay, based on the sentence you have to write and, but, or. Okay, so far we have learned about a three conjunction, right? And, okay, we use and to combine two sentences into one. And but, the word but is used to join two opposite idea in a sentences. The word but is used to join two opposite idea in a sentence. In a sentence, if there is a two opposite idea, means we have to use the word but. And next one, that is are, the word are join two sentences that talk about different choices. For the choices we can use the word are. Okay, so keep that in mind, and I have to do the fourth exercise. Fourth one, A. Naina slipped, dash fell down the stairs. Naina slipped and fell down the stairs. And A and D and. Then B. My father is not a doctor, dash a teacher. My father is not a doctor or a teacher. Okay? Or my father is not a doctor or a teacher. My father is not a doctor or a teacher. The next one, I walked home, dash I was not tired. I walked home, but I was not tired. Okay, but B-U-T, but. Okay, and D and E you have to do as the homework. D, E is the homework for you. Okay, students, have you are clear with this? So, today we have learned about the conjunction, that is and, but, are. We have learned the three words of conjunction. This is first one, and, but, are. Okay. So, I hope you all understand this topic. So, I have marked some of the things as homework. Do that as homework. Thank you, students.